Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Cornwall Regional Hospital in Montego Bay. Now this is the largest hospital in Western Jamaica. Very important institution. Now it has been under renovation since 2016. It started with a local contractor and then they went ahead and changed the contractor and used a Chinese contractor, a foreign contractor. And so now they have put out an update stating that the hospital will be finished. The last phase of the construction, phase 3, will be finished in 2026. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening. The multi-billion-dollar rehabilitation of Cornwall Regional Hospital in Jamaica is progressing steadily, with Health and Wellness Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton reporting promising advancements. Speaking at a recent town hall meeting, Dr. Tufton expressed optimism about the transformative project, envisioning the revamped Cornwall Regional Hospital as a health campus equipped with advanced diagnostic facilities and a variety of specialties. This development aims to create the region's highest concentration of hospital beds and provide comprehensive care. The project, initially launched in 2016 due to issues with noxious fumes, has faced numerous setbacks, including relocations, budget increases, and contractor complications. However, with Phase 3 targeted for completion by April 15, 2026, Tufton highlighted the importance of implementing a robust maintenance strategy to address past issues that led to the sick building label. Despite the construction, Cornwall Regional Hospital continues to deliver essential healthcare services to Western Jamaica. The administration is also preparing to transition to the new building by year-end, marking significant progress in the facility's transformation into a modern healthcare hub. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. We are actually driving in Kingston today, but we will give you live footage or up-to-date footage of the Cornwall Regional Hospital within the next 2 weeks. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.